Hello everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, we are checking out this magnetic fidget sphere. So release stress, fingertip football. So let's go ahead and show you guys inside the box. Everything comes nice packaged. Let's bring the camera down here so you guys can see better position. So here we go. Pop this out. There are different colors that you can get from the listing. All right, now you can go ahead and you can make different shapes that you want. You can design different things. You can collect all the different colors that they have. So all can be connected. As you see, we have clear and we also have, it's like a smoked color. So it just promotes brain thinking. And again, you can make whatever you want. Right now we're gonna make a ball. So if we can line everything up here. So you kind of have to learn like what can be used and what not. So you kind of take some out and you play with it a little bit. As you see, we have just made a ball like that. Check this out, guys. Is that not pretty cool or what? That's awesome. Look at that. Look at this. Is that not cool? Take this apart. Whoa. You guys can make smaller ones as well. So you can take this. And now let's see here. You can see what you can design. All right. So if we take this out, we turn it. So you gotta like play with it. So it's good brain toy. All right, let's take out a couple here. Let's see what we can do. So if we place it down like this, turn it like this. No, we want, yeah, you just gotta play with it to see. Up like that, up like that. Up like this. Anyway, guys, you don't want to see me sitting here playing with them, but you guys get the point. You can mix them all up, pull them apart, stack them straight up. See if you can stack them, how high you can stack. Overall, it's actually pretty cool, guys. It's great for a desktop item. It's great for kids. Now keep in mind, there are small pieces, so make sure you know who you're giving it to is not going to swallow them because that wouldn't be good. Very cool, guys. Very, very cool. And then you mess it up. Design different stuff. I mean, you can even design a person if you wanted to. You could do really cool designs. Like here we just did a snowflake. Well, it almost looked like a snowflake. These are the big pieces. So these have more magnets in. So you want them as your centerpiece. Then you have the ones that don't have anything in the center. Those would be more for the sides. So you kind of got to learn it. So as you can see, we just created this cool little almost snowflake, and then you know it gets messed up, and then you play with it even more, and you design something even more. Now we got a little cup. I mean, it's pretty cool, or a crown, or whatever you want. It's very cool. And as you can see, guys, it lights up. Very cool. So as you hit it, it lights up. And only the centerpieces light up. So I think you got two main centerpieces. So if we go ahead and Yeah, so when you hit it, it lights up. And it does have auto off feature as well. But if you position these right, you could design something really cool with this, and the ball or whatever you make would light up. So you just got to get creative with it. And once you get creative, let's see, here it is. Overall, guys, really cool.